India is well on its way to transforming into a digital India. An India where every citizen benefits from services imperative to development through mass adoption of technology.
The technology, unless it is simple, it is easy to understand, people find it difficult to adopt technology. In the context of new technologies, the people who create it sometimes do not make it very user friendly.
Intel and Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, along with MyGov, DIETI and CIIE IIM Ahmedabad have come together to help the government realize its Digital India vision through ideas that are intuitive and relevant.
I think challenges like these generate a lot of excitement and buzz in the overall entrepreneurial community across the country. And I'm not talking just about larger cities, but even if you went into the hinterlands and smaller town India, you will see that challenges like these have the ability to generate a lot of ideas.
We have plans to ensure that these ideas are shared with our key stakeholders, whether this is product companies who are OEMs or telecom vendors or people who are really want to take it to market in a big way, or it could be government departments or certain specific ministries who are really able to connect with the idea and then ensure that those ideas are really made useful in the long run.
We are very interested in seeing that design thinking gets introduced into the thought process of the participants.
Has the entrepreneur really done their homework? Is it that they are sitting in air-conditioned offices and trying to imagine of what they can sell, or have they actually gone out and done their homework?
You have to believe in your idea, and then you have to ensure that you take the idea to a market that exists. So you should start a company because you have a good idea and you also believe there's a strong market to that idea. Once you have that, then it translates to execution and building the right team around it.
The challenge is to give India some of its most revolutionary innovations. As it rolls into the next phase, the Accelerator program, 20 innovative ideas will be nurtured to build prototypes based on Intel architecture.
Intel is providing access to a lot of technologies from Intel, whether this is compute platforms, both from the small form factor as well as the PC part of it, access to new technologies like Intel RealSense and the IoT platforms. The idea is that the innovator should get access to the right tools, both from hardware and software side, to make that minimum viable product in a quick time.
There are two kinds of innovations in general. One is like the software innovations. Purely if you need a software platform, those software platforms allow you to innovate around it. In addition to that, because we are talking about physical world and how physical world connects to the digital world, you also need hardware platforms. And these are the hardware platforms that this program gives to all the entrepreneurs that are there. And the platforms are Intel NUC boxes, which are like very small form factor devices that can go into any part of factories, that can go into fields, that can go into healthcare clinics. We also have platforms like Intel Edison, which are really innovative, and these platforms are the ones which sense what is happening in the environment and then which kind of export it to the cloud, and analytics can be done on the cloud, and this kind of puts together a feedback loop that helps entrepreneurs to quickly prototype their ideas and then get those ideas into production.
We have a very old partnership with Intel. We keep on working on various projects together. And this was a project which was conceived by Intel. We are confident in the Department of Science and Technology that this partnership will work. The partnership will work because for the last about a decade, we have been at it and we have done various programs together with great amount of success. So I am personally very confident that this will work very well.